Hello guys, the pre-trip inspection checklist app is almost done. This is the user interface. I just wanted to show you guys the user interface, how it's going to look like on the phone and when it's in the app stores. So starts with about us, about app. So basically who built the app and what the app is all about, just a summary. And then the main thing, which is the checklist. So if you want to test this checklist form, you can go on pretrip.com.au, pretrip.com.au to test it out. So it's free there for now. You can test it out and see how it works. So it's going to be in the App Store in a couple of days, starting with the Android. So it's going to go for $20 per device, so per download. So if you download it onto one device, that's $20. And more than one device, depends on how many you need. And it can work on a tablet computer. It can also work on an iPad. So if you've got any question, please do not hesitate to contact us through our website, pretrip.com.au. Thanks for listening and watching.